Okay, so I am going to show you how to make a really, really strange noise from your mouth. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your hand like this and then go like this around your lips, but you have to pin, like that. And then you're gonna say girl. So like I tried boy before, but it doesn't work. So you're gonna go like this and go, but you have to say it fast so it comes out like really funny. And then eventually you start doing it without your hand like this. And so that's how you make the really strange noise from your mouth. But you have to get that right mouth shape. So I hope you like my video.